Hey friends, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today we're diving into some tools to help you reduce misprints and ensure for frustration-free printing, allowing you to confidently use that heat press of yours to maximize your profit. That's right, we are talking about the heat press application kit from Transfer Express here today. Now, chocked full of must-have accessories for anyone printing t-shirts and decorating apparel with a heat press, this kit includes a placement ruler, heat press test strips, cover sheets, and yeah, even a real-life sizing and placement guide for t-shirts. All that and more. Are you ready to maximize the power of your heat press? Let's get right to it. Here at Transfer Express, we are all about helping apparel decorators, small businesses, and side hustles thrive. A key ingredient in any business, but especially the printing industry, is consistent, repeatable results. Pretty much every time. When that expected result doesn't turn out like it should, it costs time, money, ruined t-shirts, and of course, some hair-pulling frustration. Now, we all know how it feels, so that's why here at Transfer Express, we packed up all the tools that we always reach for at the press into one consolidated kit built to help you print like the pro that you are. Now let's open this box up and see what we've got inside. Now first up, we're gonna see this guide right here that pretty much covers the contents of the kit. I do wanna point out, right down here is a QR code. Now this QR code is going to link to a video to show you how to use the heat press test strips. So let's grab them in this little envelope. It's actually quite easy. All you have to do is peel each one of these off and stick a test strip to a piece of paper and position in the corners and the middle of your press for an accurate reading of the temperature with the heat press actually locked down and closed. Once it opens, inspect the test strips afterwards and you'll see exactly where your temperature is at. Next up is the t-shirt placement ruler. Now this handy placement ruler is a go-to for many apparel decorators when placing prints on a t-shirt or a crew neck sweatshirt. Marked with a center line and guides for those tricky left and right chest placements, the collar shape lines up perfectly to crew neck styles and helps you place your artwork accurately. Designed to place the print for the center chest and full front locations just in that perfect spot, all you have to do is line the top of your transfer up to the bottom of the ruler and your print placement is good to go. Just be sure to remove the ruler before you close the press. Plastic and 300+ degrees of heat and don't get along too well. Next up, we've got our mouse pad. Now, if you followed along with us here at Transfer Express for a little while, you'll know how much we love these things. They're such a low cost and easy way to raise the printing area around seams, collars, or buttons and allow you to achieve that medium to firm pressure that printing methods like screen printed transfers require. Now this is all without any higher expenses with the accessories like the specialty platens or heat printing pillows that soften the pressure a little bit too much for transfers that require anything over a medium pressure. Now don't get me wrong, those interchangeable platens are sweet and really make printing easy and efficient. But if you just got a small run of, say, something like onesies, it's definitely much more economical this way. Now these mouse pads could be easily adjusted under garments and placed or even cut down to the specific size you need, making them perfect for printing on pockets or onesies, polos, the kangaroo hoodie pockets, or even the hoods on hoodies themselves. Next up, you'll see two posters included for your reference. One being the what to use when guide, and the other being an easy to reference application settings poster. Never guess on an application again. You don't even have to look them up or even look at the instructions. This chart includes the recipe of correct time, temperature, and pressure for all Transfer Express transfers, including the most popular goof-proof screen printed transfers, as well as the #1 direct-to-film transfer, Ultra Color Max. Now, the what to use when chart is a great reference for when you're looking to use the right transfer for the right job. Broken down on the side, you're going to see the number of colors in your artwork, and along the top, the total pieces needed. So say 36 total quantity we need with a 2-color print. we should be using a screen printed transfer for the best cost and maximum profit. Another scenario, 6 pieces or less with a 4+ color logo. Yep, Ultra Color Max direct-to-film transfers are going to be the best way to go with their no minimums. To aid in easy applications too, you're going to see some specific transfers for fabric options in the fine print for each section here. Printing screen printed transfers on 100% polyester? Elastiprints is probably going to be what you're looking for. Or printing on nylon? Check out Ultra Color Stretch down here in the purple, or in a limited color artwork, Stahl's Gorilla Grip for that CAD cut heat transfer vinyl option. Now the newest addition to the application kit is this sizing and placement t-shirt. The t-shirt is an absolutely incredible tool to keep around when meeting with your customers, show off those print locations and print sizing, or when you're at the heat press and just want to double check your placement. With standard print sizing like 11 by 11 or max area of 4.5 by 4.5 for the left chest here, you have a real life reference guide to help you not only size your designs, but it even shows you reference points down the center line of the garment too. If you want to learn more about print placement, we put together a comprehensive guide of all of the tools you could use as well as standard placements in the video that will link right here and down in the description as well. You'll see included in that video is a very similar placement ruler that is included in this kit. Now at the bottom of the application kit here, you'll find a whole pack 12.5 by 15-inch heat press cover sheets. Now these cover sheets are awesome to have on hand when you need to apply any decorations to the same side or close to an already printed graphic on the garment. Specifically designed for use on a heat press, they're free from any coatings or wax, so they ensure your prints won't stick nor any residue gets on your apparel. Now as long as they stay clean, these paper cover sheets are pretty much indefinitely reusable and don't block the 10 to 15, even sometimes 20 degrees of heat like the thicker pads and silicone cover sheets do. Even if you do get some ink or adhesives on this sheet, that's fine. Just toss it and pull a new one out of the pack. You've got plenty. Now to top it all off in this kit, you're also going to get a $10 credit automatically applied to your Transfer Express account that you could use towards your next order. That's going to get you off and rolling with making those perfect prints. More than likely, that credit will be applied to your account before the box arrives to your door. Now, everything included that we covered here today is packaged all together in the heat press application kit for just $35. This kit will easily pay itself off in the time it saves you alone or the frustration it could save if you're just starting out. Pick up your own kit in the link right here or down in the description below. Now with the new year off and running, let's make this the best year yet, right? Now we're gonna be here at Transfer Express to help and root you on every step of the way with education, inspiration, t-shirt business tips, and so much more. Because we're kicking out new videos every single week here on our Transfer Express YouTube channel. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? And as always, we're happy to help in any way we can for the apparel decorating community. If you need to reach us, you could always call or email at info@transferexpress.com or just leave a comment below and we'll make sure we answer it. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing. Happy applying.